Today, we're diving deep into a fantastic AI tool that's quickly rising to the top, Perplexity AI. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, this tool can transform the way you access information and tackle problems. So let's jump right in. All right, first things first. Let's talk about what Perplexity AI actually is and why it stands out in the crowded world of AI tools. Perplexity AI is essentially an advanced search engine that uses artificial intelligence to provide you with precise, relevant, and often insightful answers to your queries. It's like having a smart research assistant at your fingertips. To get started, head over to perplexity.ai. No complicated sign-ups here. You can dive right in. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a simple and clean design. This is great because it means less time fumbling around and more time actually getting stuff done. Now, let's say I want to know about renewable energy. I simply type that into the query bar and hit enter. Just watch how quickly it pulls up a range of information. So you see, Perplexity not only provides a simple answer, but also includes sources for that information, so you can verify the data yourself. This feature linking back to credible sources sets it apart from many other AI tools. It's all about transparency and accuracy. Let's take a look at the answer it generates. It breaks down complex information into easy-to-understand summaries. For example, if I get a long description of solar energy, I can easily ask a follow-up question like what are the pros and cons? Perplexity gets me that quick summary just like that. Here's where it gets super interesting. One of my favorite features is the follow-up questions. This allows for a more natural conversation, helping me drill deeper into a topic without needing to start over. Think of it like a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. Let's say we were discussing the impacts of global economy. I could ask, how does renewable energy impact the global economy? Just look at the instant response. It's tailored specifically to my line of questioning. It's like having a personalized research assistant who understands context. Now, I've found Perplexity particularly useful for my projects. Whether I am preparing a presentation, writing an essay, or even simply looking to expand my knowledge on a subject, it streamlines the process effortlessly. For instance, while I was working on a project about sustainable living, I leveraged Perplexity's findings to gather statistics and quotes from experts. It saved me tons of time compared to traditional research methods, but like any tool, it has its limitations. Sometimes, the answers can be a bit too surface level for in-depth academic work. So, I recommend using it as a starting point rather than your sole resource. One last tip, don't hesitate to explore various questions. Sometimes the best insights come from unexpected angles. If you start to feel stuck, just rephrase your questions. You'll be amazed at how much more information it can provide. So there you have it, folks. Perplexity AI is a powerful companion in your quest for information, making research efficient and engaging. I hope this guide has given you a good overview of how to maximize your experience with this incredible tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using technology to enhance your learning experience.